Shopping for souvenirs.
Hello, excuse me. Do you sell Eiffel Tower keychains?
Hi, yes, we do. They are right over there.
Oh, thank you. How much?
This one is €5.
5. Sorry, I don't understand euros.
Oh, euros are the money we use in France, like dollars in America.
Ah, I see. Thank you. €5. A little expensive?
I understand, but this is good quality. It's made of metal, not plastic.
Good quality. Okay. Do you have a discount?
A discount. Let me check. Okay, for you, I can give it to you for €4.
Thank you. Very kind.
You're welcome. Do you want anything else?
Yes. This, what is its name?
Oh, that's a fridge magnet. You stick it on your refrigerator.
Okay. How much?
€2.
Good price. I take one.
Booking a guided city tour. Hi, we're interested in joining your city tour. Could you tell us more about it? Absolutely. Our guided city tour lasts 3 hours, and it takes you through all the highlights of the historic downtown. You'll visit the Old Town Square, the local museum, the cathedral, and more. It's a great way to learn about the city's history.
That sounds great. What time does the tour start?
We have 2 time slots, one at 10 a.m. and another at 2 p.m.
The 10 a.m. one is perfect for us. How much is the tour for 3 people?
It's $25 per person, so $75 total. The price includes the guide, transport, and a snack. That seems good. How do we book? You can book here or online for a 10% discount.
I'll book online for the discount.
Great.
At the museum.
Excuse me, where can I find the Apollo 11 exhibit? Oh, it's on the first floor. Just walk straight ahead and you'll see it near the lunar module. Got it. Also, do you have guided tours? Yes. There's one starting in 15 minutes at the entrance. It covers all the major space missions. That sounds interesting. I'll join. Do people usually take the tour, or do they explore on their own? It depends. Some visitors like to read every detail. Others prefer the tour for a quick overview. I see. I guess space fans would spend hours here, right? Absolutely. Some people even bring notebooks to take notes. A few visitors come back multiple times just to see everything. Wow, that's dedication. Have you ever met someone really passionate about space? Oh, definitely. Last week, a retired NASA engineer visited. He worked on the Apollo missions. He told us stories about the launch preparations. It was amazing. That's incredible. I hope I meet someone like that today. You never know. Space museums attract the most curious and passionate people. I can see why. Well, thanks for your help. I'll go check out the exhibit now. Enjoy, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Buying local spices in Istanbul.
Merhaba. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Welcome to my shop. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for some saffron. Do you have it?
Of course. We have the finest saffron in Istanbul. This jar is 200 lira.
Is it pure saffron?
Yes, absolutely. It comes straight from Anatolia, hand-picked and dried perfectly.
Can I smell it?
Of course.
It smells amazing. It must be very fresh.
It is. Our saffron is very popular with chefs and travelers.
Great. Do you also have cumin?
Of course. The ground cumin is 50 lira per bag.
I'll take 1 jar of saffron and 2 bags of ground cumin. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Thank you. Istanbul has such amazing spices.
Enjoy your cooking. What will you make with these?
I'm planning to try making some Turkish dishes when I get back home.
That's wonderful. If you need recipes, I can write a few for you.
That would be amazing.
Shopping for traditional crafts.
Mom, look at this bowl. It's so colorful and unique.
It's beautiful, Jane. I love the vibrant colors. How much is it?
That one is $120. It's made by a local Pueblo artisan. And the design is inspired by traditional Native American patterns.
I've never seen anything like it. Can I get it for my room?
It is beautiful, but $120 is a little more than I expected for a souvenir. Do you have any smaller pieces?
Yes, we have smaller bowls and trinkets. Let me show you some.
This one is cute. How much is it?
This one is $50. It's still handmade, but it's a smaller size.
I like this one. How about we get this one, Jane?
It's perfect for my desk.
Do you have any discounts if we buy these 2 small bowls?
Since you're taking 2 pieces, I can give you a 10% discount. So it would be $90 for both.
That sounds good. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do. Would you like me to gift wrap them for you?
That would be wonderful. Thank you. Exploring a streetwear clothing store.
Vivi, look at this shirt. It's so cool. Oh, wow. This style is making such a comeback lately. Everyone's into them now.
Hi, can I try this shirt on?
Of course. The fitting room's right there.
Your shop has such a cool vibe. Did you always sell streetwear clothes?
Not always. I started collecting streetwear clothes as a hobby, but when I saw how popular it was becoming, I turned it into a business.
Makes sense. Streetwear is so unique, and every piece has a story.
What do you think?
You look amazing. It's like you stepped out of a movie.
That shirt's unique. It's handmade. A renowned fashion designer created it. You won't find another one like it.
I love it. How much is it?
It's $45. A great deal for something this rare.
I'll take it. Do you have anything to go with it? Maybe some jewelry?
Check out these earrings. They have the same style with the shirt.
These are perfect. I'll get them too. Renting a bike in Amsterdam. Hi there. I'd like to rent a bike.
Sure. Are you looking for a regular bike or an electric one?
Just a regular bike, please. How much is it for a day?
It's €15 for the whole day.
That sounds good. Do you have a smaller bike? I'm not very tall.
No problem. We have bikes in different sizes. Let me check. Here you go. This one should be comfortable for you.
Perfect. Does it come with a lock?
Yes, every bike comes with a lock. Amsterdam's safe, but it's always a good idea to lock your bike.
Great. And, do I need a helmet?
Helmets aren't required here, but we do have them if you want one. It's €5 extra.
I'll take the helmet too. Better safe than sorry.
Good choice.
How do I return the bike?
You can return it here before 8 p.m., or if it's late, just use the drop-off box outside.
Awesome. Thank you for explaining everything.
Enjoy exploring Amsterdam.
Going on a hike in the Swiss Alps. Wow, Tom! This place is absolutely stunning! I can't believe we're really hiking in the Swiss Alps!
It's beautiful, but I have to admit, this hike looks a bit intense. Are we sure we're ready for this? Don't worry, we'll take it slow and steady. The trail we're doing today is manageable for beginners, but the views make it worth every step.
That's a relief. How long does the hike take?
It should take about 3 hours to reach the summit. But we'll stop along the way for rest breaks and to take in the views. Okay, that sounds more doable. I just hope I don't slip on these rocks.
I'll make sure to hold your hand if you need it.
If you both follow me here, we'll get a nice view of the valley below. It's perfect for photos.
I'm definitely getting some pictures of this. Can you help us take a group photo when we reach the top?
Absolutely. I love capturing moments for guests.